this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear the cache on iPhone. It means that I'm going to demonstrate how you can clear caches on your iPhone or iPad without the need for expensive additional software. And I will also discuss why the official Apple support article can sometimes fall short in providing a clear solution. So now you might ask, why is it important to clear our caches? Well, one of the most important reasons is the overaccumulation of system data on your iPhone or iPad. To see this, navigate to the setting, then general, and finally iPhone storage or iPad storage. If you scroll past the extensive list of apps, you will reach system data. At present, it stands at 0 kilobytes, but I have encountered phones with system data as large as 50 or 60 gigabytes. Many users are unsure how to tackle this. When we click on system data, it shows that system data includes caches, logs, and resources, which is a bit unclear. Then you are left wondering where exactly to start. As previously explained, it's a collection of data saved by your phone. Cache essentially speeds up your phone by avoiding the need to downloading the same information every time you visit a website or launch an app. Caches aren't always harmful, but we need to be cautious, at least with the temporary data, to free up storage space and boost your iPhone speed. Now let's discuss how to clear various caches on your iPhone, starting with the most prevalent one, Safari. Tap on Safari and then scroll down to clear history and website data. Tap on that and then tap clear history and data. Of the options to close your tabs or keep tabs, I recommend closing your tabs. If you want to see how much Safari website data is being saved on your iPhone or iPad, in the Safari section of settings, scroll all the way down to Advanced tabs. Tap on website data. I've got 0 megabytes of website data since I've already cleared the cache. If you haven't done it for a long time, you can expect this number to be very high. The next app we need to clear the cache is Chrome, because its cache can be huge. Tap on Chrome and tap 3 dots. In the lower right hand corner of the screen, scroll down and tap Clear Browsing Data. You have some options here: browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files. The last one is the one that you have to be concerned about. So let's clear browsing data. Next tip that really makes a big difference on your iPhone storage is offloading apps. Offloading apps is like deleting the app, but your personal document and data gets saved in the case you want to reinstall the app in the future. Maybe you need a 1 week or so detox from a game or your social media apps. Then it's the time to offload the app. In the setting and again on general, go back on iPhone storage and look for the list of your apps. Now let's check, for example, KM Player to see how much storage I can save.